Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students of Universitas Terbuka, this is the 5th session of our 8 online tutorial sessions. In this 5th session, we will learn how to write a letter of request and to write a letter of complaint. You will learn the characteristics and structures of both those types of business letter. As usual, our activities will include studying both main and supplementary materials, and then reading your textbooks provided in Ruang Baca Virtual, completing the formative test, actively participating in discussion forum, and then filling out your attendance list. In this 5th session, you must complete your assignment. We know that there is assignment in the 3rd, 5th, and 7th meeting. I hope you follow this session enthusiastically. Happy learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.